Morning, friends. In the last period, we have studied new topic, that is what we have quantum statistics. In that first article, we have to discuss, that is need of a quantum statistics. In that, we have to explain about the short note for the need of a quantum statistics. In the today's lecture, we are going to start a very big article, that is Bose-Einstein distribution law. In that distribution law, first one important small article we are going to discuss in the today's lecture, that is basic postulates for the Bose-Einstein distribution law. What are the different types of basic postulates for the Bose-Einstein distribution law? Bose-Einstein डिस्ट्रीब्युशन लॉ मध्ये काही इम्पॉर्टंट पॉस्युलेट्स आपल्याला स्टडी करायचे आहेत. त्यामधलं पहिलं पॉस्युलेट जे आहे, दॅट इज पार्टिकल ऑफ द सिस्टीम आर आयडेंटिकल अँड indistinguishable. The particle of system are identical and indistinguishable. Particle of the system are identical and indistinguishable. This is indistinguishable. Indistinguishable. Particle of the system are identical and indistinguishable. Means we have to consider here in the Bose-Einstein distribution law, all the particles are identical and indistinguishable. This is the first postulate for the Bose-Einstein distribution law. The second particle second point for the postulates we have to consider, any number of particle can occupy a single cell. Any number of particle can occupy any number of particle can occupy a single cell in the phase space. Can occupy single cell in phase space. Phase space we know 6-dimensional. That is we have to consider for that a momentum space. And also we have to consider, say, coordinate space, that is 6 coordinates we have to consider for the phase space. And in that we have to say that any particle can occupy a single cell in the phase space is the second point we have to discuss here. Any number of particle can occupy a single cell in the phase space. Any number of particle can occupy single cell in the phase space. This is the second point. Third one is the size of cell cannot be less than h cube. Size of cell cannot be less than h cube. What is h cube here? H is called as what? A Planck's constant. And what is the value of Planck's constant here? That is, we have to say that H is equals to 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 Joule second. This is what we have to say that a value of Planck's constant. The size of cell cannot be less than h cube. Size of the cell cannot be less than h cube. H is called as Planck's constant. Having value is what we have to say that 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 Joule second. This is the third postulate we have considered here. And fourth one for the Bose-Einstein distribution law, that is number of phase space cells is comparable. Phase space cells, number of phase space cell is comparable. Number of phase space cell is a comparable with the number of particles. Number of phase space cell is comparable with the number of particles, and the occupation index is given by occupation index is given by f of ei. That is, f of ei is the occupation index we have to consider. That is ni upon gi is equals to 1. Ni upon gi is equals to 1. The number of phase space cell is comparable with the number of particles. Number of phase space cell is comparable with the number of particles. And lastly, we have a fifth number of a postulate, that is Bose-Einstein statistic is applicable to particle with integral spin angular momentum. BE, Bose-Einstein statistics is applicable Bose-Einstein statistics is applicable to particle with integral spin, is applicable to particle with integral spin. Bose-Einstein statistic is applicable with the particle with integral spin angular momentum in a unit of spin angular momentum in a unit of h upon 2 pi. H upon 2 pi, where h is the Planck's constant. The integral spin angular momentum in a unit of h upon 2 pi, and all the particle which obeys B statistics is known as bosons. B statisticsच्या सर्व पार्टिकलला BE statisticsच्या सर्व पार्टिकलला काय म्हणतात? bosons. B statisticsच्या सर्व पार्टिकलला आपण काय म्हणतो? bosons. These are the 5 important postulates for the what we have Bose-Einstein distribution law. Which is the first one? That is 5 postulates that will get the 5 mark. The question may be asked on that. Write a short note on the postulate for Bose-Einstein's distribution law. Now, what are the postulates? The number 1, the particle of the system are identical and indistinguishable. Particle of the system are identical म्हणजे एक सारख्या आणि indistinguishable म्हणजे separate. What we have to consider distinguishable, indistinguishable. Particle of the systems are identical and indistinguishable. Secondly, any number of particles can occupy single cell in the phase space. Any number of particles can occupy a single cell in the space. This is the second postulate. And the size of the cell, we have to consider the compartment in the cell, and in that what we have to consider the size of cell cannot be less than h cube. Size of the cell cannot be less than h cube, where h is called as what? Planck's constant, and having value is 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 joules second. This is the value of Planck's constant we have to consider, because by using the Bose-Einsteins we have to say that E is equals to h nu, where E is the photon energy and h is the Planck's constant, and nu is the frequency of radiation. So we have formula for the one photon, what we have to say that h into mu, and the size of the cell cannot be less than h cube. Whereas here the number of phase space cells is comparable with number of particles. Number of phase space cell is comparable with the number of particles, and in that case the degeneracy condition is what? F of EI is Ni upon Gi is equals to 1. Ni upon Gi is equals to what? 1. Remember the condition, Ni upon Gi is equals to 1. And then next one is we have to consider the fifth one, that is Bose-Einstein statistic is applicable to the particle of integral spin. What we see that? Applicable to the integral spin of angular momentum. This is applicable for integral spin for the angular momentum in a unit of h upon 2 pi. Integral spin of angular momentum of in a unit of h upon 2 pi. And in this way, we have to say that Bose-Einstein statistics is used to, Bose-Einstein statistics are known as bosons. Bose-Einstein statistic is also called as bosons. These are the very important 5 postulates for the Bose-Einstein's distribution law. Sometimes question may be asked on that. Write a short note on a postulates for a Bose-Einstein's distribution law. Write down all the postulates. These are very important. And after that, we are going to discuss what is the derivation for a Bose-Einstein's distribution law. That can be, we have to discuss in the next lecture, because this derivation is very big. Okay, thank you. Well done.